Just finished making the beat, but what next? Kevin Ellip on set from ksound.com. I just finished making the beat, and like, what do you do next, right? What is those plugins that you use that brings it out? You know, bring your beat out a little bit more. So, just a brief overview on what I'm working on. All right. So what I could do is just bring everything down some, because we're about to insert a plugin, and don't want to go too far down. I think that's good. All right. So what I want to bring in next is a plugin called Beatformer by Acusonus. I'm telling you about Acusonus because I believe in their product. I use most of their products most of the time. Their products are super simple, straight to the point. So on this master track, we are going to go ahead and grab it. And we are in Logic right now. And here it goes. All right. Now, this plugin right here, it just does it. I haven't heard what it sounds like yet, so let's see what it sounds like. So I want to hear a punch. Right? Sounds like side chain type deal there. Let's squash this a little bit. There we go. And that's all I want right there. If you want a little more boom, I don't need the boom. And then you got this limiter knob here. It has a nice little texture to it though. I say I just want to add the punch to the middle and the side. That's pretty good. Now I think I'll add the air to the so now it has that stereo feel, you know, straight down the middle, left and right, and then I like that. Now, something like this will be like great to send someone, just showing them what you came up with, or it could be an awesome mastering tool. There's presets in here that you can choose from. I already know what I want, and it's mainly these two knobs here, maybe a little punch in there, just give or take. Be careful with your meters here. If you're already approaching zero, you will kind of experience it just depends, you'll get different effects depending on where you are in your master. But I think that's great. I wanted to show you guys this. I did a video on this already before in the past, but I wanted to bring it up again because I think this thing is pretty dope. And maybe you guys, not really familiar. It's simple, straight to the point. Like, this video is not long because it doesn't require much at all. Just 4 big knobs, your high split in the middle, your output, and then your input here. You know what I mean? Now, I spend a lot of time mixing my track already. I have it where it punches through the way that I want to. So, I'm just adding this on just to give me just a little bit. I'm not gonna add any punch to it. I just want a little air, push it off to the sides, and this sounds pretty good. I'm ready to go ahead and bounce this down and send it to my artist so they can get a concept of this joint that I'm working on. I'm not quite done, but yeah, check this thing out. Beatformer by Acusonus. The link will be in the description. And yeah, see you later. Remember, music is art. You, the artist, paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. ku.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ellen. Thank you. I'm done.